Hey guys, Jason here. Today I'm gonna do driving of my RC car. So here we go. Oh, my RC car. Hold on, I'll show you it. It's a New Bright CSR race car. Some stickers on it. I've had it for a really long time. See, it's like this is starting to chip off, and so is this. But it's still really good. I just got it, put new batteries in it, so it's really fast. So here's the controlling. That's what you use: right, left, speed, and then slow down. Okay, well, front and backwards. Okay, here we go. Well, okay. Really fast. Really, like, the turning's really good. I will make a track for it, though. I haven't yet, but I will. Here, come. Nick, come over here. Here, I'll show you. I'm gonna put it downhill. Okay, it's going downhill. It's really nice. It's real fast. It's a 27 MHZ right there, if you can read that. Yeah, but I'll still drive it for you, but like, the turning's really good. Come on, my brother's gonna show you something. Oh, these tires. So, these tires are really well. They work great. They're rubber tires. But yeah. Oh, one thing I like about it is this design. E.T. Skull. Okay. Okay. Alright guys, I am the video master in this video. Okay, I'm gonna be starting my
own channel on YouTube. Alright, and
I'll put his channel in the description. I'll put the link to his channel in the description.
I haven't made it yet, but I'll make it soon. Alright, and let's get back to the car. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Thank you and have a nice day.